As you may be able to tell, I just went to the vending machine right outside my apartment and bought every single drink in it. It cost me around $15, but I find that when you find something you like, oftentimes you stick with it, and I wanted to try out something new. Or a lot of new things. And when you're in a new country, trying new things can be scary, especially when you can't read the labeling on anything. Also, I watch a lot of BuzzFeed videos, so this is kind of like that. Let's try some good old-fashioned water. Does it taste different in Japan? Of course not. But I'm also really, really thirsty. Delicious. I give this a 10 out of 10. My favorite drink. Iced milk tea. I actually really, really love this drink. It's super delicious. It's like royal milk tea, but I feel that it's not as sweet. And I'm really glad that they have this in the vending machine right outside my place. I'd give this a solid 8 out of 10. There are different variations of fire coffee. I can't read Japanese, so I don't know the difference between them, but I'm sure I'll find out. I'm gonna assume that this is black coffee. Let's find out. It's black coffee. This appears to be cafe au lait. I don't know what that means. Let's find out. That's pretty good. I'm an idiot. It's not cafe au lait, it's cafe au lait. So like cafe with milk, coffee with milk. Oh, so this appears to be some kind of roasted bean, maybe? I'm not sure if it has milk in it or not. Let's see. That's pretty good too. It tastes kind of like the cafe au lait. So while I was editing, I realized that I accidentally didn't film part of this because I'm going to sample the drinks that I tried before and pretend that I'm doing it for the first time. The final of the 4 fire coffees is this. It's Kiriman. I don't know what that means. Nice and lukewarm. It tastes almost identical to the other fire coffee. And then for some reason there's another 5th iced coffee, and it comes in a can kind of like the royal milk tea. It tastes exactly like every single other one, but a little bit stronger. I don't really know why you need 5 different kinds of iced coffee. They all taste basically identical to me. I really don't understand. Okay, so next, Kirin Lemon. It is basically Sprite. It's really good. It would be a great mixer for drinks. I actually really like this. I don't know really when I would drink it. I don't tend to drink non-caffeinated sodas that are sugary, but really not bad. My favorite. This is Miruju White water. So something white water. I really don't like it. It's not good. It tastes kind of like the Kieran Love Sports or Pocari Sweat. It's just very unenjoyable. I don't like it. It's by Yakult for some reason. I don't know. I guess maybe Kieran owns Yakult because Kieran made all of the drinks in this vending machine, I think. I don't know why I took another sip. That's really bad. I thought it would taste different. I didn't. I don't like it. So pretend that was the first take. Okay, so I just took a small break from filming. I would like to announce that my stomach really hurts. Barley tea. I really like barley tea. The vice principal at my school actually makes barley tea and keeps it in the fridge for everybody to have, which is really, really nice. Let's try it. It's just gonna be barley tea. Yep, pretty good. This is lemon tea. I don't know what else is in it besides lemons. I don't think you can make tea with just lemons. I think that's just lemonade. So, I don't know. Not that bad. It tastes like black tea with lemon. Kieran loves sports. I'm guessing this is going to be something like Pocari Sweat, which I hate. Oh yeah. I really don't like that. I don't know, it's like water, but it's kind of fruity, kind of lemony. Just like sweet. I don't like it. Tea. It's just green tea. No sweetener. Just good old green tea. Really good. Lemon squash. Lemon squash. I hope that it doesn't mean it's squash and lemons. I hope it means that it's squashed lemons. For some reason it's Kieran Metz. I don't know what that means. But this looks like it's gonna be like really similar to the other Kieran lemon drink. Oh, but this is 0 calories, so maybe it's like flavored sparkling water. Oh, no, it's not. It has a little bit of sweetener in it, or I assume artificial sweetener. It's pretty good. I don't know what the difference is between these two drinks, really. I assume that this is just like the diet version of this. Speed, hire me. I'll do shit like this all the time.